Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off this device location. Start by opening Tab menu. Now find location icon and click on it. Location is now turned on. You can turn it off by clicking on the same icon. But you can also go into Settings, choose Security and Location, tap on Location over here after you scroll down, and click on the switcher to turn it on, click, or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!